Do you want to go out? Okay, I'm trying out this little microphone. I don't know if it's any better than... It's... Oh, go on then, Casper. It's Sunday and I don't want to vlog. I want to just fix the things in the house. I want to get the camera out. It slows it down. But then if I don't film it, I don't do the jobs. This is a video about how our garage roof isn't fixed. Despite the video where I think I said I fixed the garage roof. I did, I fixed it on the other side, and then I noticed all these other leaks. I don't know if I should be showing you at security. I got that leak fixed, which is wonderful, and then another leak appeared, and I didn't film me fixing that, but I poured the rest of the tar that I had on the roof, and I don't know if you can see the mould there, but I think I've got a tub full of tools, and I have a feeling that that tub is full of water. I don't want to look. Oh no, it's dry. Okay. Same is not true over on this side. Water comes in there, which I could cope with, except tragically it's gone into my precious wood pile. If you identify as a man and you have kids, I don't know if you have your own pile of wood. I don't know if it's a male thing or if it's just a me thing, but this is really terrible because the leak is captured by my pile of wood holder. Look, you see the water? So it's now ruining all my wood. Anyway, I'll deal with that later. The most pressing thing is I've got to somehow fix this leak on the roof. This is the weather for the next few days. Can you see that? -6 and -4. If I can get the tar into the hole. Oh no, I'm stuck. I've locked myself in. Casper, send help. Send for help. Hello?
What?
I've locked myself in the garage.
Have you actually?
Yeah. I don't know how this door never works. So
You were so lucky I didn't decline.
yeah. Can you let me out? Casper, go get help. Can you just turn the handle clockwise?
Clockwise?
No, just turn it clockwise. Yeah, there you go. Ah, thank you.
I was going to decline as well.
I thought I'd make my videos more like Emma Chamberlain for once. What do you think? What would I need to do to make it more like an Emma Chamberlain video?
Wear heels.
I'll even use on this one, I'll even use some Emma Chamberlain music. I need to get a ladder. I really don't like this ladder. When you're taking it down, it's like it's going to take your fingers off. Emma Chamberlain at this point will probably do a little bit of a fashion check, so I've got my painting gear on. It's basically all the stuff that I don't want to throw out, but I've got quite a lot of it. And I got this at my old infant school party. It's in Camden in North London, because the school's moving out, because they're going to demolish the infant school in Camden Town and build a new underground station, except it's still lying derelict. I got this 6 years ago now, and it's still lying empty and derelict, but I suppose I got a t-shirt out of it. Casper is absolutely useless at playing fetch. Someone left a comment on the garage roof video to say, did you stir the tar? Did you stir it? And I don't know why, but I lied and I said yes. And well, I did a little bit. I did sort of stir it a bit, but I clearly didn't stir it enough, because look, that's what tar should look like. Not the liquid that I was pouring before. So at least it's thicker, but because I've poured out all the liquid, it is now super tough. But the advantage with this, I can pour it really easily and it will just stay in place instead of just running off the roof. I have no idea where this leak is. The liquid, the actual water that's running in, don't want to fall off the edge. It's it's there. There's well, that seems sealed, so it could be there or there. I'm gonna answer that. Hey, it's Dad. Hi, Dad.
Falling down the hole or something?
Who, me?
Yes.
Well, ironic you should say that. I'm on top of the garage roof.
Oh, right, okay. I'll phone you back later.
Oh, okay. I'll see you in a bit. See, before it was actually easier because I could just pour the tar on like it were rainwater, and it would just run where it runs, and it would run into the gaps. But it's a bit more sticky now, so I've got to spread it around with this old paintbrush that's solid from the last time I did the tarring. The last time's over here, and that's set really well, and that works really well. It's a bit like spreading peanut butter at this stage because all the liquid's gone out. You know, it's the peanut butter that you haven't stirred in a while. I don't know whether to speed this up or to just let you enjoy me spreading the tar on the roof. What do you reckon? I think I'll leave it real time. Stones are getting mixed up in it. Well, I think that's it. It looks like something that a 6-year-old has done. I think that all the bits that need to be sealed are sealed. I'll just give that a try. Okay, so I've done that. Now it's time to assess the damage to the wood pile. I think maybe I'll put some sad music on this. I definitely will speed it up. This was part of the Happy Hut. I wanted to turn this into something, and I don't know what. I don't know why I'm hoarding this. I think it's because whenever anyone wants a piece of wood, then I've got... Oh, let's clean this up. So that's how much water is in here, and it stinks. It really stinks. Oh man. Throw those away. Oh jeez. Oh my god. Oh, my 2 saws. Maybe if I leave the wood out while it's -6, maybe that will kill off the mould. What do you think? I don't know why I'm keeping this. I think it's to build some kind of model railway system that's hidden in the Happy Hut. And I could just sit there in my 60s and just watch a little train go round and round. I think that's all I want in life. It will happen one day, but I better use that energy and that ingenuity to, you know, stop the house from falling down. And then I could build my little model railway. What I should do now is show you what happened next, but I don't think it's going to rain for a week now. I want to get this video out. I'm not sure that was very much like an Emma Chamberlain video.